You need to hear this if you're living with diabetes. It's not just about cutting sugar or blaming genetics. There's a smarter way to tackle what's really going on inside your body. Most people think diabetes is all about sugar, but that's just one piece of the puzzle. The real drivers are things like chronic inflammation, insulin resistance, and metabolic stress, stuff that starts long before your blood sugar spikes. My book, Reversing Diabetes 10 Natural Secrets, breaks it all down in simple steps. You'll see how the right foods send healing signals to your body and how small changes can lead to big results without drugs. If you're tired of just managing symptoms and ready to start healing from the inside out, this is your roadmap. Real change is possible, and it starts with knowledge. Get your copy of Reversing Diabetes.